Good evening, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. Black Ice Pond Hockey Championship moved indoors due to rain. With more slush at White Park Pond than smooth black ice, the 8th Black Ice Pond Hockey Championship moved inside for its final day. The Black Ice Pond Hockey Association is a non-profit organization that was founded in 2017 to maintain and expand ice skating and recreational opportunities throughout Concord. Nearly 700 players from 92 teams participated in the annual tournament this weekend, but the championship games on Sunday were moved indoors to the Ever Ice Arena because of rain and warm temperatures. The tournament had been originally scheduled for January, but was postponed due to warm weather for the second year in a row. This was the third time in 8 years that the event had to be rescheduled. The event was also forced to move inside in 2016 due to unseasonably warm weather. The tournament was created both to maintain and expand skating opportunities for the community and to honor the city's place in hockey history. The nation's first organized hockey game was played on a frozen pond at St. Paul's School in Concord in 1883. And that does it for my evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great rest of your night, and I'll see you back here tomorrow with more news reports. Good night, everyone. Bye.